Day 2 at Universal. Is there any guess where we're going first, Lynette? So we're heading straight into Islands of Adventure today. I will take you along for the ride. Are you excited to see dinosaurs? How excited have you been for this part of the trip? Is it because it's dinosaurs? Do you like dinosaurs? So we've just done the river adventure ride and VelociCoaster. And VelociCoaster was brilliant, absolutely brilliant. It's fast. The hang time, the upside down time, brilliant. I tried to keep my hands up as much as I could, and then there was at one point we're upside down for a little bit longer than I thought. And I pushed the light bar down a little bit more. Nope. So, nope. So Lynette's just going to go and do a bit more shopping, and we're going to go get some food. We're feeling quite snug today, aren't we, Lynette?
We are.
Because last night we did Hagrid's. It's been delayed all day today. And today was going to be the day we were going to rope drop it. So I'm quite glad we went on it yesterday, because it's not been open since we've been here. Oh well, we're going to go get the train back to Universal Studio, and then we're well, we're both running on about 5% battery. It is so hot today. So hot. So we're going to skedaddle, head back to the hotel, and yeah.